Yes, two people don't have to clap, everybody can. Please put your hands together. The guests, please take the seats, and Deepika, I would love to hear from you as well. Please, the stage is yours. Thank you very much.
Depression. And given your last movie, Padmavat, I know there was a lot of controversy, there were stressful times.
No,
we're
not going to take that question.
No.
Part of our collaboration that we are willing to work with other NGOs in the field of mental health.
जैसे मैंने कहा
As far as Padmavati is concerned, no, not at all. In fact, if anything, it's made me much more stronger than ever before. And I don't think irresponsible behavior on somebody else's part would most certainly not drive me to depression. There have been some irresponsible comments that were made by certain people saying depression happens to people who have the time, who have the money, who live a luxurious life. And these are all, I think, statements that we need to be cautious and aware of. I think we need to create an environment and a society that understands mental health in a better way. While we have, I think, come a long way in the last 3 years, I think we still have, not just as a foundation, but even as a nation, we have a long way to go. 10 or 15 years ago, India was not even conscious of their physical health. And suddenly, in the last couple of, I'd say in the last decade or so, there was this whole sort of almost like an uprising of fitness centers and people wanting to take care of their health, understanding, understanding the importance of physical health. And I think that's what we would like to achieve with mental health as well. When I was diagnosed with clinical depression, I still had to go about my professional commitments. I will admit that it was very, very hard for me to get out of bed and get to work every day. But I think when you have the right sort of support system, I think also for me, speaking about it made it easier.